Scumbling is the first step to a lot of scenic treatments, and I love it for the fact that it has very few rules. A scumble is a blend of at least two colors where there are still spots of pure color. That's about it. Use as many colors as you want and vary the contrast as much as you need. Use one brush, or multiple brushes if you want to keep it cleaner, or even use a roller if you have a lot of ground to cover. Avoid patterns and vary the blob sizes and shapes you're making, unless you have a reason to be more linear and patterned. Blend the edges together, more or less, depending on the effect you're going for, with cross-hatched motions and swirls. If you want to get really specific, a scrumble is barely blended, a wet blend is very softly blended, and a scumble is somewhere in between. People might debate a little bit about those terms, but that's the way I was taught. And now, armed with your knowledge of scumbling, you're ready to begin painting stone, brick, wood, foliage, etc.